world. Its bustling streets and mountainous landscapes hide a secret dating back millions of years, a paleontological treasure trove unparalleled in its richness. The city has earned the nickname Dinosaur Capital due to the staggering number of fossils discovered within its territory. These remarkably well-preserved fossils provide a unique window into the Cretaceous period, a time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. At the heart of this natural wealth lies the famous Dinosaur Valley, a paleontological site that draws scientists and enthusiasts from around the globe. It was here in 2010 that a team of Chinese paleontologists made a groundbreaking discovery. Carefully excavating layers of ancient sediment, they uncovered fossilized fragments that initially seemed unremarkable. However, as the pieces were unearthed and analyzed, it became clear they had stumbled upon something extraordinary. The discovery was of a previously unknown dinosaur, later named Zhuchengceratops. Though smaller and less imposing than many other dinosaurs from the region, it quickly captured the attention of scientists due to its peculiar features. It's rare to find such well-preserved leptoceratopsid fossils in this area, commented one of the paleontologists involved in the discovery. The excavation revealed more than just bones. It unearthed the story of evolution and adaptation in a prehistoric world. The fossil's location, within a geologically rich layer filled with plant remnants and other dinosaur remains, suggested that Zhuchengceratops was part of a diverse and complex ecosystem. Excitement over the discovery was immediate. While Zhucheng was already renowned for its fossils of larger dinosaurs, such as hadrosaurs, the Zhuchengceratops added a new piece to the puzzle of life in the Cretaceous. Small in size but significant in scientific relevance, it promised to shed light on the lesser-understood aspects of smaller ceratopsians. Thus, in the same soil where other giants of the past left their marks, Zhuchengceratops began to tell its story. Among the many fossils that have emerged from Zhucheng's lands, Zhuchengceratops occupies a unique place. Though it lacked the grandeur of a triceratops or the menacing stature of a tyrannosaurus, this small herbivorous dinosaur possessed fascinating traits that underscored its evolutionary importance. Measuring about 2 meters in length, Zhuchengceratops was a true giant in its category. It belonged to the group of leptoceratopsids, smaller and lighter relatives of the famous horned ceratopsians. Unlike its larger relatives, such as Triceratops, Zhuchengceratops did not have prominent horns. Instead, its robust skull and bony frill served as its primary defenses, both against predators and as a means of attracting mates during the breeding season. Its skull, though small, was an anatomical marvel. Adapted for crushing tough plants, it featured a series of sharp teeth that acted as an efficient grinding machine. This suggests that Zhuchengceratops had a diet consisting of hardy vegetation, such as the leaves of low-lying trees and shrubs. Such a diet was an essential adaptation for survival in the diverse and competitive Cretaceous ecosystem. Another notable trait was its locomotion. Although primarily bipedal, Zhuchengceratops likely alternated between 2 and 4 legs depending on the situation. Walking on 2 legs gave it greater reach to access higher foliage, while moving on all 4s provided extra stability on uneven terrain or when escaping predators. Compared to other ceratopsians, Zhuchengceratops might have seemed modest. However, its unique anatomical features revealed a high degree of specialization, demonstrating how leptoceratopsids evolved to exploit ecological niches inaccessible to their larger relatives. It exemplified how diversity within a dinosaur group was crucial for survival in such varied environments. Small in size but enormous in significance, Zhuchengceratops challenged expectations about what made a dinosaur scientifically relevant. Its story, though just beginning to be uncovered, already showed that even the smallest members of the dinosaur kingdom played crucial roles in their ecosystems. Zhuchengceratops did not live in isolation. Its world, about 70 million years ago, was vibrant, dynamic, and full of challenges. During the late Cretaceous period, the region that is now Zhucheng was a tropical ecosystem characterized by dense forests, swampy plains, and rich biodiversity. This environment provided the perfect stage for the coexistence of various dinosaur species, each adapted to a unique role in maintaining ecological balance. The forests were dominated by conifers, giant ferns, and other primitive plants. It was within these forests that Zhuchengceratops likely spent much of its time foraging. With its sharp teeth adapted for grinding tough plants, it specialized in consuming the resilient vegetation that thrived in the region's warm, humid climate. Thick shrubs and fibrous leaves from low-lying trees were part of its diet, making it a key player in nutrient recycling within the ecosystem. Yet, even in such a resource-rich environment, life was far from easy. Zhuchengceratops had to constantly evade predators, such as tyrannosaurs and other carnivorous theropods that also inhabited the region. Its small size and agility were its main defenses. Unlike larger ceratopsians that relied on horns to fend off enemies, Zhuchengceratops likely depended on its speed and ability to hide among the vegetation to survive. In addition to predators, Zhuchengceratops shared its habitat with giant herbivores, such as hadrosaurs and sauropods. These larger dinosaurs competed for similar resources, adding another layer of challenge to Zhuchengceratops's life. However, its ability to feed on lower and less contested plants allowed it to coexist with these giants without directly competing for food. This coexistence of species in such a diverse ecosystem highlights how ecological balance was maintained. Each species played a role, from apex predators to small herbivores like Zhuchengceratops, which helped shape the landscape through its feeding habits. For Zhuchengceratops, the world was both a place of constant danger and abundant opportunity. Its adaptation to its surroundings was a testament to its resilience and ability to thrive in a world filled with challenges. The discovery of Zhuchengceratops had a significant impact on paleontology, particularly in understanding leptoceratopsids and late Cretaceous ecosystems. While the most famous ceratopsians, like Triceratops, are large and imposing, Zhuchengceratops provided a fresh perspective on smaller dinosaurs, which are often less studied. Its discovery helped fill gaps in knowledge about the evolution of these herbivorous dinosaurs, especially those lacking the prominent horns of their larger relatives. The scientific importance of Zhuchengceratops is particularly evident in the rarity of its fossils. Leptoceratopsids are primarily known from North America, making the presence of a species from this group in China a rare and valuable find. This suggested that these dinosaurs were not exclusive to the New World, and that Cretaceous fauna were more interconnected than previously thought. The discoveries in Zhucheng provided solid evidence that dinosaur species either migrated or were more geographically widespread than previously imagined. Additionally, the well-preserved fossils allowed scientists to study Zhuchengceratops's anatomy and physiology with greater precision. Detailed analysis of its skull, for instance, revealed characteristics that helped determine how the dinosaur fed and defended itself, offering valuable insights into the feeding behaviors and defense strategies of smaller ceratopsians. This new understanding was essential for rewriting aspects of ceratopsian evolutionary history. Another important contribution was the role of Zhuchengceratops in understanding late Cretaceous ecosystems. By studying its diet and fossils alongside those of other animals from the same region, paleontologists were able to reconstruct the food dynamics of a prehistoric tropical environment, where giant herbivores, carnivores, and lush vegetation coexisted. This helped paint a more complete picture of how these ecosystems functioned and how different species, including dinosaurs of varying sizes, played essential roles in maintaining ecological balance. Zhuchengceratops, therefore, was not just an intriguing addition to the known dinosaur catalog, but also a key to understanding the diversity and complexity of life in the late Cretaceous. Its discovery marked a milestone in paleontology, inspiring ongoing research and theories about dinosaurs of that era. The discovery of Zhuchengceratops extended beyond the academic world. It also had a profound impact on local culture and how paleontology is perceived in Zhucheng and across China. The site where the fossils were found, Dinosaur Valley, became a true mecca for paleontologists and tourists worldwide. The city of Zhucheng, already renowned for its fossil wealth, gained further recognition as a hub for research and scientific education. Local museums, such as the Zhucheng Paleontology Museum, began showcasing not only the fossils of well-known dinosaurs, but also recent discoveries like the remains of Zhuchengceratops. These fossils, carefully restored and displayed, allow the public to glimpse a distant past, sparking curiosity and interest in science among young and old alike. The exhibits go beyond static displays, offering detailed information about excavation processes and the importance of each new discovery. This contributes to education and awareness about the significance of fossil preservation and natural heritage. Beyond its local impact, the discovery of Zhuchengceratops had global repercussions. Scientists worldwide were intrigued by the new species and the implications it carried for understanding Cretaceous fauna. Studying this species, along with others found in the same region, became a growing area of research, with new expeditions organized annually to explore the secrets buried in Zhucheng's soil. The city is now regarded as a center of paleontological research, attracting scholars and students eager to learn more about Earth's history. The legacy of Zhuchengceratops also inspired books, documentaries, and even traveling exhibitions worldwide. This helped cement the importance of this discovery not just as a scientific contribution, but also as a bridge between the past and present. The dinosaur became a symbol of the relentless pursuit of answers about the prehistoric world, a reminder that despite Earth's drastic changes, fascination with these extinct creatures continues to unite people globally. Over the years, Zhuchengceratops became more than just a fossil. It became an icon of modern paleontology, a testament to the secrets still awaiting discovery in even the most remote places. Its story, which began with a fragment of bone buried in the earth, now resonates in the minds of scientists and science enthusiasts worldwide. In this way, Zhuchengceratops, small in stature, leaves a great legacy, not only for paleontologists but for all who continue to explore the mysteries of our distant past.